Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dissect, analyze, and sometimes even roast products to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, it's Drone Wars. In the left corner, we have the DroneEye F10 Foldable Drone, and in the right corner, the SotaOne S350 Drone. Get ready for some high-flying fun and maybe a few crash landings. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about price. The DroneEye F10 Foldable Drone comes in at a cool $79. Not too shabby, right? But wait, the SotaOne S350 Drone swoops in at just $59. That's a $20 difference, folks. You could almost buy a pizza with that. Almost. Next, let's zoom in on camera quality. The DroneEye F10 boasts a 1080p FPV camera with smooth, real-time transmission up to 120 meters. Sounds like a dream, right? Perfect for capturing those epic selfie shots while pretending you're an action hero. However, some reviewers noted that the camera quality doesn't quite meet the 1080p mark. On the other hand, the SotaOne S350 also offers 1080p HD video with a 90-degree manually adjustable angle. While the range isn't as extensive, reviewers find it decent and reliable for a budget drone. It's like comparing a DSLR to a point-and-shoot. Both have their perks. Now, let's talk about flight features. The DroneEye F10 is a versatile beast. It does 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and even follows a custom flight path you draw on the app. It's like having a tiny, obedient pet dragon. Reviewers love its intelligent flight modes and stability. On the other hand, the SotaOne S350 isn't a slouch either. It can perform 3D flips, high-speed rotations, and even has gesture and voice control. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and fun features, but note that it's more suited for beginners. Imagine yelling, "Fly, my pretty," and watching it obey. Wicked cool, right? When it comes to ease of control, the DroneEye F10 is beginner-friendly with one-key start, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. It's like the training wheels of drones. Even your grandma could fly this thing. However, some users have reported issues with syncing and connectivity. The SotaOne S350 is also super user-friendly with one-key takeoff, land, altitude hold, and headless mode. Plus, it has 3 speed modes to keep things interesting. Reviewers find it generally reliable and straightforward, although some younger users had difficulty navigating it. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The DroneEye F10 is all about stable flight and safety with altitude hold and multiple speed settings. It's like the cautious older sibling who always wears a helmet. However, a few reviewers mentioned it dropping out of the sky when the battery dies. Meanwhile, the SotaOne S350 comes with propeller guards, low-power alarm, and emergency stop. It's basically the overprotective parent of drones, making sure you don't lose an eye, or the drone itself. Reviewers commend its durability and safety features, especially for beginners. And for those who love extra features, the DroneEye F10 has voice control, gravity sensor control, VR support, and custom flight paths. It's like the Swiss Army knife of fun. However, some users have had issues with syncing these features. The SotaOne S350 isn't left behind with gesture control, voice control, gravity control, and VR mode. It's like a mini theme park in your pocket. Reviewers appreciate the extra battery included for continuous use. Overall, the DroneEye F10 Foldable Drone is praised for its versatile features, ease of use, and stability. However, some reviewers have experienced connectivity issues and camera quality that falls short of expectations. The SotaOne S350 Drone is commended for being a reliable and affordable option, especially for beginners, with decent camera quality and durable design. It has fewer connectivity issues, but is noted as being more suitable for new users. So there you have it, folks. The DroneEye F10 Foldable Drone and the SotaOne S350 Drone, two awesome contenders for your drone needs. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, both these drones have something to offer. If you're on a budget, the S350 might be your new best friend. But if you want a bit more range and some extra bells and whistles, the F10 could be worth the extra bucks. Either way, you can't go wrong. Now, go forth and conquer the skies, my friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy flying.